Hi, we talk about protecting the environment. Why not protecting our well being as well? We talk about flexibility of products, flexibility in services, flexibility in distributing, flexibility of every kind. Why not talk about flexibility in work culture and establish working from home? Well, I reached out to a couple of people, and here's what they had to say.
Hi everybody. Every cloud has a silver lining, and so has COVID. It is not a good thing to have happened, but it has taught us a lot of good things, and one of them is brought the culture of work from home. A lot of companies are shifting towards this mode of work from home because it is found that it has improved efficiency, productivity. You save on your travel time, you save on your travel money. You can work from the comfort of your home, either on the beach with the sound of the waves, in the garden, or in the comfort of your bedroom on the bed with your laptop on. You can work at the time you're most productive. Like if I feel like working at 7 in the morning, I can just get up from my bed in my pajamas, switch on my laptop and start working. There's no clock watching. So this is a very good advantage. On the other hand, you miss the social interaction with your friends, you miss the shared lunches, you miss the gossip in the pantry. You miss your office boy serving you tea, you miss the social gatherings where you learn a lot from your colleagues. But it is like you can't have your cake and eat it too. Work from home needs a lot of discipline and balance. It's like riding a two-wheeler. You have to balance your work and home. You have to be responsible. You have to be disciplined and manage your timetables and your schedules. Then it's a blessing.
Hi, this is Hina, and I would here like to share my views on working from home, which is a new normal, as millions of us are now working from home in the wake of pandemic, and maybe will continue to do so. Therefore, nowadays the topic of discussion is that whether employees are more productive and efficient while working from home or in office. In my opinion, there are many perks of working from home. The most important is that you save a lot of time, energy required for commuting. Actually, this spare time facilitates us to do a lot of additional tasks. It can be a work-related task or a personal task. Moreover, if I talk about myself, I'm a working mom. It provided me a lot of mental satisfaction and comfort to be around my 4-year-old son and take care of him while performing my official responsibilities. I feel I perform a lot better while working from home since I was able to achieve a better work and personal life balance. Also, I think women are naturally good jugglers. Therefore, for me, it was very easy and very natural to switch on between personal and work time while at home. Although I agree that not all the time it is easy, but yes, it's also not so difficult. I also hear a lot of people talking about distractions they have while working from home. But isn't it we all go through a lot of distraction in the office environment too? For example, our coffee breaks or a small chit chat with our office colleagues. So the same happens even at home. Yes, I do agree that one point of time we certainly miss the formal environment that we get in the office. But for me, what matters is that I enjoy my work and should be able to deliver the work at any given space, may it be my simple home or an office setting. I personally believe that a happy and relaxed mind and body can help us to perform a lot better irrespective of the environment and the infrastructure we get. So I certainly advocate this new normal of working from home.
The most important point I feel is the most peaceful place for any human being is his home. When he is in the comfort of his home, he is relaxed and he is able to think and concentrate more properly and be able to do his work better. I definitely advocate for working from home because since there are chances of people getting infected by you in case you have any flu or any COVID situation, and if others have it too, by working from home there is less chance of me infecting others or getting infected. I have done almost 8 online courses in the past 1 month. I have never done more than 2 or 3 online courses of my organization in a month. So actually, I'm using this work from home, time to do more courses and educate myself more about, banking and other things. One of the things I've been wanting to do for a long time is have more time to listen to big speakers, talk about business, talk about the arts, and talk about ways to improve my life. And listening to people like Tony Robbins and Sadhguru has really taught me a lot of things.
Hi Aarti, thank you for giving this opportunity to talk on this topic. Working from home has both pros and cons. I think the only way to manage everything together is to balance it. As per me, I'm saving a lot of time in traveling because every day I used to travel from Sharjah to Dubai for 3 hours it used to take. So that 3 hours now I'm using it for my family, for myself. I start my day very early and I finish all my household work, and then I start with my office work. And I don't take any of the thing for granted. I know I have to finish these works, so I have to finish even what household work, or if it's any office pending work, even if it's weekend, or because I have that flexibility to work because I'm working from home. So I think balancing is very important. Managing your work is very important. Either if it's office work or household work or any other things, you should know how to balance it. So I don't think that's a big deal. Working from home is quite manageable for me as of now.
Hello friends. COVID-19 has taught us a new concept of working from home. It has lots of advantages and disadvantages. Let's first talk about the advantages. The first is a flexible schedule. You can take breaks at any moment, feel no rush to hang out with the family members, eat lunch at weird times. Number two is custom environment. You can set up your own noise levels, what you want. You can have cozy clothes. Also, you can have a knockoff of some weekend to-dos. No office distractions. Zero commuting. It saves money. Forget crowds and traffic. More time with the loved ones. More relaxed at home during work. Have more family time. Saves the environment and reduces cost for office rent and power. Let's talk about some disadvantages. It's a difficulty striking a routine. Boredom. Sometimes working slowly as the office has energy and homes don't. Human interactions is not there. A lack of community and difference in culture. Difficulty or lacking communication. Low reliability and retention. Difficult to manage and maintain accountability. Issues with payments and logistics. Security concerns. So we have plus and minus. But we have to have a third way, which is the midway. What should be in the midway? I think it should be a flexible system, flexible timings. You'll maintain a balance between your work and personal life. You'll have more time for friends, family, and the community at large. You will not become a work machine. The midway helps us achieve our purpose of life, which is betterment of the world and to live in concord and harmony.
You look at the larger picture, we're not different from the environment. In fact, we are a part of it. They say that the betterment of the world and our well-being depends on how we shift our priorities.